Welcome to Wayanad, a land of pristine beauty nestled amidst the Western Ghats in the southern state of Kerala, India. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the top 5 tourist destinations that make Wayanad a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Our first stop takes us to the majestic Edakkal Caves. Edakkal Caves are a marvel of ancient rock art dating back over 3000 years. These caves, formed by a cleft in a massive rock, showcase prehistoric carvings and inscriptions that offer a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of early inhabitants. It's like stepping back in time and witnessing history unfold before your eyes. Next on our list is the breathtaking Suchipara Waterfalls. Suchipara, also known as Sentinel Rock Waterfalls, cascades down from a height of about 200 meters amidst dense forests. The sheer force of the water creates a mesmerizing sight and a perfect spot for a refreshing deep. Legend has it that the name Suchipara means needle rock, derived from the needle-shaped rock formations surrounding the falls. Moving on, we come to the serene Pukkod Lake. Pukkod Lake is a natural freshwater lake surrounded by lush greenery and bordered by evergreen forests. Boating in the tranquil waters of Pukkod Lake offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Legend has it that the lake was formed by the blessings of Lord Shiva and is also associated with myths and folklore. Our journey continues to the historic Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, spread across the vast expanse of Wayanad. This sanctuary is home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna, including elephants, tigers, leopards, and rare species of birds. A safari through the sanctuary presents an opportunity to witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat and immerse oneself in the raw beauty of the wilderness. Last but not least, we explore the ancient Tirunelli Temple. Nestled amidst the serene Brahmagiri hills, Tirunelli Temple is a sacred pilgrimage site revered by devotees for centuries. Dedicated to Lord Vishnu, the temple's architecture reflects traditional Kerala style with intricate carvings and sculptures. The surroundings, enveloped in mysticism and spirituality, add to the aura of divine tranquility. As our journey through the top 5 tourist destinations in Wayanad comes to an end, we leave behind memories of natural wonders, ancient heritage, and spiritual enlightenment. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep falling in love with the enchanting beauty of Wayanad. This is Wayanad, where every moment is a masterpiece crafted by nature's own hand. Subscribe to Nature Scenic for more.